Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching all of you guys how to do some basic coding and how to be an expert in the future. So we're going to be using an app called Thunkable, and it's a really entertaining app because you can also design stuff, which is also, I know a lot of you guys love to, like create and draw and all those things. So this is going to be really a good app for you guys. So for you guys to start, you probably just have to log in or sign up, I think, to your account. And the bad thing about Thunkable is you can only make 3 projects, but it's okay because you can make several accounts, which I did, but I will teach you how to make that in another video. So, but right now you can use your main account if you just started how to use Thunkable. So let's get started. So first, you have to go to this button where it says create new project. So you do right there. So we're gonna make a project called calculator app. So it's basically, you put 2 numbers, so there's gonna be 2 like labels, and you put 2 numbers there, and then there's gonna be 4 buttons, which is gonna be the add button, the subtract button, the multiply button, and the divide button. So whatever button you click, it automatically appears in the box where it says the answer is, and it's gonna say the answer. For example, you put 8 and 5, right? And then you put that, and then you click the add button, right? So it's gonna automatically add the 2 numbers for you, which is really cool in my opinion. So we're gonna name the project calculator app. And for the category, you can put any category you like. I'm just gonna put business. And oops, let's just write that again. I don't know what happens. Oh, it already popped up. So we're gonna put business, and then we're gonna click create and keep the drag and drop builder. So the screen is gonna be popped up like a phone, which is regular for the thing. So first we're gonna start with, it's already automatically gonna say screen 1. So you leave it screen 1. You can have any color you want. Like on this part, you can click any color. I'm just gonna do blue. Oopsies. Oh, I think that's oh, sorry, don't click the color, click the background. I'm sorry, my bad. So you do, and just to tell you guys, this is gonna be the part 1 where I'm gonna show you how to design it, and then in part 2, in my other video, we're gonna show how to code it. So we did the background. Now in this bottom section right here, you get a label. Oopsies. You get, it's not popping up. Oh, you take a label, you just scroll here, and it's gonna automatically have a label up here. And instead of, actually you can just leave it label 1. Oh sorry, no, you don't keep it label 1. You do the calculator app. So it's basically a title. Then this is just the name, so whenever you code, you're gonna understand that's like the calculator app. But then you click this part, and then it's gonna automatically pop up on the screen, and then you write calculator app. Oops. You can have any color you want. I recommend you take the font size to 35 to make it a little big. Make it bold, and where's the color box? Okay. Oh yeah, color, you can make it any color. I'm just gonna do white. I feel like it's so easier. Oh, never mind. Let's keep it black. Okay, now we got the title. Oh yeah, also remember to text align, keep it centered. And yes, now we're gonna start with the 2 numbers. So it's gonna be the first number and the second number. So we're gonna get a text input box, and we're gonna have 2. And we're gonna move it right here, down a little below, and don't call it text input 1. Change it to actually no, just put the first number, and then you guys are gonna put, for the name that's gonna pop up on the screen, you put first number, and then you leave it like that. If you want to have the a color and you want to do anything, you can, but I won't do it. So you keep it first number, and then you get another text input. Oops, oh my gosh. Scroll down, get another text input, and then you call that the second number. So whenever you do the code, you write your second number on the second number box, and then the first number in the first number box. Or you can have any way you want, it really doesn't matter. So now you put the second number, oh my god, second number. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little in the middle. Okay, so now we got the second number and the first number. Now we need the buttons. So we're gonna go back here and we're gonna get 4 buttons. We'll just duplicate it. I'll show how to duplicate it. So I think this is a little too big, so we're gonna make it a little smaller. This won't let me move. Okay, we're gonna make it smaller. Okay, that's a good size. Okay. So instead of calling it button 1, we're gonna call it add, because we're also gonna use this button in coding. And if we have a bunch of buttons, like the names are gonna be called button 1, button 2, button 3. It's gonna be confusing for us. So we're just gonna call it add, and same thing for here. We're gonna call it add. You are most welcome to change the color if you want. I will, because this color is just not really good. Okay. Now, if you want to have the same size, which I don't like having different sizes, I like to click on these 3 dots here, and then you click duplicate, and then you duplicate it. And then you close. Yep, here you go. Now, instead of calling it add 1, we're going to do subtract. And then you do the same thing for all the other ones. You do subtract. And you're also most welcome to change the color, but I'm just going to leave all the colors the same. The same thing, duplicate it and duplicate. Now you're going to put it a little down, and then you're going to call it multiply. Multiply. Same thing for the last one, which is divide. You duplicate it. Oopsies. Okay, now you're going to put divide. And then we're going to type divide here too. Okay, perfect. Now you see here on the side, it also shows all the things that you wrote. Now we're gonna, so now we need the last label, which is gonna be the answer is, because when you're gonna add it, it's gonna automatically pop up the answer here. So we'll just put label 1's fine, because there's only one label 1, and now we're gonna call the label the answer is. Perfect. So if you want to change the color, you are most welcome to. I'm just going to do it bold. If you want, I'm going to put it like to 22 maybe. Okay, so this is the main design that I've created. So we're going to stop here, and then I'm going to continue part 2 in the other video where we're going to code it in the block section. And after that, it's going to be your first project in Thunkable if you have never done it before. So remember to like, share, and subscribe subscribe my channel, and hit the bell button. See you next time, everyone. Bye.